Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video about my vision for 2024 and my team, because I will help 100 people, aka you, build a team of your own 100 people in this new project and finally escape the matrix, okay? So do you want to finally fire your boss, be able to build a downline, have a network marketing business that's profitable, and so that way you can actually afford your auto ship and you can actually be able to reinvest into your business and afford the things that you want in your life? Well, I'm going to share with you how I am doing that in this business opportunity and how I'm going to be helping you do that as well very easily. Okay, so my story, again, my name is Justin Temple. I'm 27 years old right now. In 2 months, I will be 28 years old. And I got started in network marketing, affiliate marketing, when I was 16 years old, okay? So I actually have over a decade of experience in network marketing, email marketing, funnels, list building, video marketing, SEO, I think I said email marketing, and many other things as far as branding and other skill sets. So that's what I've been doing for over a decade, and I have a lot of experience in it. And when I was 16, I actually dropped out of high school to build a network marketing business opportunity because I didn't really know what else I wanted to do with my life, and so I decided to focus on this one business. And it was really awesome. I was creating content every day. I wasn't pitching friends and family. I was actually learning how to build an online business. And so that has translated into me being able to use that information over 10 years later for this business opportunity. So I want to share with you and help you build real skill sets that will translate into you becoming a valuable person that can command your paycheck and command your income. So back to my story, that business actually decided to go out of business about 2 years into when I was promoting it. And before it went out of business, I actually became a top 200 earner in that network marketing program. Okay, my biggest day was $1,500, and I got leadership recognition from someone on stage, really cool, and I got to meet some leaders and whatnot. And so really, really awesome to be able to achieve that. That's something that a lot of people are not able to get to in the network marketing world, especially in their first business opportunity. So I'm very grateful to have been able to achieve that. However, the business went out of business, and when that happened, I didn't know what to do because I didn't quite develop all the skills that I needed to be able to build anything. So I went from different business model to different business model and actually left network marketing. Okay, I left network marketing and affiliate marketing because there wasn't really anything good for me to promote online that I felt good about. Okay, so I actually left the industry and started my own online store. I started doing local marketing for local businesses and helping people brand themselves and all sorts of different things. And I was doing very well in those different businesses. However, when 2020 happened with the shipping crisis, it was very difficult to sell products online as far as physical products anymore. And so I decided to come back to affiliate marketing. And after 8 months of coming back to affiliate marketing, I was able to earn my freedom and be able to actually not have to work a job. Okay. Now I actually started my YouTube channel when I came back. I actually started when I lost my job. So I lost my job, and then I started my YouTube channel and worked really hard to create my freedom when I had nothing. Okay? Actually, my mom gave me a $50 per month loan to be able to afford my funnel builder tool and my autoresponder. So I actually started my business with nothing. Okay, so I built up my business, had network marketing experience, blah, 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 and then it went out of business, and then I started doing other businesses, and I was doing very well. Then the 2020 thing happened, and then I came back to network marketing, affiliate marketing, and after 8 months, I was able to really create my freedom, okay? So anyways, let's go ahead and talk about my vision for this program, okay? And let me show you how I'm combining multiple income streams that make sense and and people are going to actually want to buy from you when you decide to build this system. So what I really like about this system that we're promoting is, one, I was able to figure out a really high converting funnel for organic and solo ads. And then also, it's not about actually network marketing. Okay, so let me show you what this is. Okay, so it's called iCoinPro, and this is the main front-end MLM that I am building. Okay, so my vision is to help you build a team of 100 people inside of iCoinPro yourself. Okay, so let me go to my team right here. Okay, and go to View and Roller Tree. And I haven't hit 100 members yet, but I have crossed 20 members, and I'm at like 21 or 22. So here we go. Total in Roller Tree members last month is 23. So with 23, I'm a 2-star. I'll show you the ranks in just a moment, but I just want to show you that I am building this. I am building a team. These auto ships with blanks are people that have canceled. Okay, the ones with numbers are the people that are on a yearly or still have their membership. So there's all my active members right there in full transparency. And then I have 23 members. So let me go to the current rank, and I'll show you all the details that you really want to know in just a moment. But last month ranked 2-star. This month we're at a 1-star. 1-star is 3 members. And so as people keep being billed their auto ship, this will increase one by one. And so that way it'll be another 2-star by the end of the month. I'm not going to show, oh, actually, let me show you that there's 2 people on my team that have actually produced results as well. So Matt has produced 1 team member, or 2, I think one team member on his own, and then there's another team member on my team that has produced another team member, which is Randy. Okay, so when Randy gets billed, he's going to pop in here, this number is going to go up 1, and it's going to show his team in here and accumulate to my total team as well. Okay, so I just want to show you my full transparency that I am building this. I just actually bought, if I go to my, let me go to my Facebook real quick. So right here, I just posted on my Facebook that I bought 1,000 USA buyer clicks today, just like an hour ago. So I already have 23 people on my team. I'm a 2-star, and I'm scaling all the money that I make into paid traffic. Okay, so I'm going to have a huge team, and I will be at 100 members very soon. So let me go back to here, go to the compensation plan, and show you the rank advancements. And then I'm going to show you how I help you actually build a team. So let's go here. You can look at the comp plan on your own, but what I want to show you real quick is right here. Okay. So I've achieved 1-star, which is 3 people, 2-star, which is 20 people just recently this last month. So on the first month of 2024, I became a 2-star. Now let me also show you my earnings as a 1-star. So what I really want you to understand is that as a 1-star, so all this income that you're seeing right here is as a 1-star. Okay? All this income is a 1-star. So for example, right here, I made $409, and the 1-star bonus was $318, and I got infinity override bonuses of $82.40. So just by being a 1-star, by getting 3 people in, if I just help you get 3 people in, you're going to be able to make $200 to $300+ per month. Now it's not $400 every month. Let me show you. Let me go back real quick. When I first started being a 1-star, look, 210 right there, 340 for the bonus, right? So it's not always 400, but see right here, monthly 219, monthly 220, 277, monthly 227. But if you're paying $50 a month and you're making $200 a month profit, then you can take that and put it in the solo ads. And you can put all the money that you make into solo ads and cycle and build a perpetual unlimited downline. How do you like that? Perpetual unlimited downline. Okay, so if I can help you get 3 people, which is really easy, you're going to be able to have some money to reinvest and really, really build this business. Okay, so I just hit a 2-star. Tomorrow, I'm going to see my 2-star bonus, which I don't even know how much it is, but it's probably going to be pretty nice. And so let me show you how I help you on my team. Okay, so I build you this exact funnel. That's how I help you. So I build you this exact funnel. You get 4 tools. You get the Home Business Academy Funnel Builder for $25 a month, Aweber for $30 a month, your domain name for $1 a year, and a professional email for $6.99 per month, which is a total of $62.99 per month for all your tools. I log into all your tools, build everything for you, build all the pages, connect all the everything, connect the integration to the Aweber, to the pages. I build out 30 emails for you so that you have follow-up emails going back to your thank you page or to your VSL page. And then also, when we go to the thank you page, we've actually combined this system to be a bridge page and a VSL page. So I will actually help you create your own your own sales video. That's what this is. So I have team members that, watch when I click play. So it's going to have testimony, watch, real quick. Right here, it's going to have testimonial after testimonial after testimonial. Okay, it's going to take a second to load. See? So we got testimonial after testimonial after testimonial, and then we have your bridge video. Okay, so right here is a video of you. So right here, this is a video of me, but you're going to make a bridge video, and I'll put it in here for you. I have a video editor that I have hired for our team, and he's part of our team actually, and we're going to actually edit your bridge video into the testimonial / now after the bridge video, check this out, it goes right into the company sales video. How cool is that? So, and then it has a disclaimer, okay, to be compliant and legal. So I build you this, and so it's really, really high converting and powerful. Now people will pre-enroll right here into your boot camp, okay, and then here's your information right here, and then we'll set you up with bonuses on your team so people are incentivized to join. And then when people pre-enroll, I'm going to teach you how to call these people and how to get them back to the boot camp so you can recruit them more. And so people are going to be getting massive emails from you, and they're going to be going into a high converting funnel. They're going to be getting calls from you every so often, not every day, but every like 4 or 5 days, because you can hit, as you start, you're going to have like 50 pre-enrollees. You can call all those people in like 1 day. So call them every few days, So, but I'm going to build everything for you, and then I'm going to give you my exact traffic source that I buy traffic from, right? So remember, I just showed you that I bought 1,000 clicks. I'm going to give you my exact traffic source that produces really good results with this program and this funnel, and I coach you on how to do video marketing. Oh, I didn't show you, did I? I got a duplicate page to how to duplicate everything. So here's how to duplicate my iCoinPro day trading results. My day trading results are a 49 win streak, 100% win rate. Here's all my wins. I've made $1,460 in 37 days now. Okay, very, very profitable network marketing product. So it's a very good product to promote. That's why I have a big vision for you. And so this is my duplicate guide. So we teach you how to trade, and then I teach you how to do video marketing. I teach you how to do email marketing and how to call people. So click the button now.